Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Tandoori Mutton Chops. So this is our restaurant style that we have served up on a sizzler. We marinated the mutton overnight so it's packed full of flavor. And the mutton just melts in your mouth. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this mutton tandoori chops. Absolutely magnificent in terms of its look. Let's see whether it lives up to the bill in terms of taste. very tender. Wah! That's probably the best thing I've had in the last couple of months. That's a statement and a half, because we made a lot of things, and alhamdulillah, a lot of things are absolutely magnificent, but this is just superb. Mesmerized. So delicious. It's so tender. This is so tender, so wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Definitely go ahead and try it out. I am massively going to recommend this. I want maximum amount of people to go out there and actually try this out, because you will not be disappointed, and I can't wait to read your comments after you've made this, because I'm convinced, I have the firm conviction that once you make this, you'll be like, wow, this is top drawer. So with that said, do like the video. There's a thumbs up button beneath this video. Do tap on the like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. And once you hit the red subscribe button, hit the notifications bell icon. You'll see that appear so that you are informed of our daily releases. Do comment below whether you are going to try out this dish over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.